Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. So today I am here with a list of books that I want badly to read this year. These books, some of these books have been with me for a long time and somehow or other I could not end up reading them. So yes, without further ado, let's start with the video. So these are all the books. I only have 5 books in the to be read list of this year because only 3 months are left now. So the first book on my list is The Great Gatsby. Yes, this is a very thin book, only about 200 pages long, and believe me, I have tried to complete this book more than twice or thrice. I started the book more than twice or thrice, and I ended up without completing the book. So somehow or other, I could not connect with the story, and I didn't end up reading it. But I really want to read the story. I want to complete it this time. And I have also heard that it takes more than one reading to really understand the true nature of the story. So at least I have to read once, right, to know whether I should read it again, right? So yeah, I need to complete this very soon. The next on my to be read list is the first self-help book that I have picked up. I usually don't like non-fiction so much. Although I like a non-fiction like which are based on some events, some historical events or some political events, but self-help book, this one is the first one that I have picked up, The Alchemist. So yes, this again is on my to be read list because I know again with this one I'm going to stop reading it in the middle of it because I don't know, self-help is not my thing, I believe. So yes, that's my second on the list. And on the same note, I bought this also, The Secret. Now this book had been on my wish list for a very long time because of the look of the book, the look and feel of the book. I mean, it's luxurious, isn't it? Many of you might have already read this book. I have heard and read many amazing reviews about this book. I have also read about not so good reviews about this book. Because I always wanted to have such a luxurious book in my collection, and because I already bought Alchemist, I thought, why not? Let's give it a try, right? So maybe it's the right time to start with these kinds of books. So yeah, that's again number 3 on my list. Number 4 on my list is Norwegian Wood. I talked about this in my book haul video. I had waited for this book for a long time. I finally grabbed it, but I haven't been able to read this yet. So yes, that is on my to be read list for this year, and I'm hoping to finish it and do a book review on this very soon. Stay tuned, guys. My last book that has been on my to be read list forever, like since I was a teenager. So it's The Other Side of Midnight by Sidney Sheldon. I have read all his books. I have read all Sidney Sheldon books except The Other Side of Midnight. And back then I used to buy, second-hand books. So most of my Sidney Sheldon books are second-hand, but The Other Side of Midnight was the first and only book I had bought with my own money, with my own gift that I had received for my school results. And unfortunately, that's the only Sidney Sheldon book that I could not complete till now. So I had read half of the book, and then somehow I didn't like the story, or I didn't want to complete it. And I tried again and again, more than thrice I would say, to complete the book, but it has always been on my to be read list. I don't know whether I'm too old to read Sidney Sheldon books right now, but I'm planning to finish it. because hey, I read all his other books and this one was a brand new one I bought, right? So I might as well finish reading it. So yeah, those are the 5 books that are on my to be read list for this year. Do let me know in the comment section what are on your reading lists. Okay, that's it. I'll take off today and we'll meet again next week. So bye bye guys. Stay safe and enjoy the festivities.